G'day everyone, Rach here from Inky Planners. Welcome to a quick pen update and a sample haul and swatch. First things first, 30 ink 30 days. I gave up. Technology made me give up after the first week, and I didn't bother carrying on with it. I was not happy with using this pen, the Kakamori, in my transcribing book, and I just, when the technology failed me, I was like, yeah, just take the stress off. So I did. So I have really only been using my pens sporadically, and I have yet to finish anything. So I will not be refilling any inks for October. I will just work on getting these empty. So what we have got as a refresher, I didn't get the pilot out. So this always stays the same. This is just my black ink, fountain pen ink, and it's just a cartridge. Then I have got in the Kaweco Sport, I've got Herbin's light blue. I'm not even going to attempt that. And I've been using that. Some of them we might be able to get an idea of how well we're going. Yeah, no, we're still probably halfway. Still quite a bit to go in that one. Then in this Platinum Preppy, the blue one is New Liz Ink Purple Martin, and that's, I have actually not used that very much at all, so there's still a lot in there. In my Lamy Safari, this is another Herbin Rouge d'Orient, and this I have actually used a bit. There is, it looks very gluggy. Oh, yeah, I'm here over here, see. I have actually been using it enough, so there's probably only a third of a cartridge left to go on that one. The TWSBI has got Alt Goldgrün in it, and this is going down. I have been using it. It's, yeah, I'm probably not going to be able to do it in a way that you can see. The chamber has definitely got gaps in it. So I am using that probably the most, and the other pen I'm probably using the most is this other Platinum Preppy, which has got Diamine Cozy Up from last year's Inkvent in it. And I'm not sure if we can see. I can't tell. It looks like it's actually still got quite a decent amount in it too. So, but I've been using that the most. Probably the one that I'm not using as much is the Jen Howe with Ferris Wheel Press Edwards Gardens. I'm probably not really a fan of Edwards Gardens, I think. It's a bit hard to tell how much room, if any, there is in there. So I will just plod on and keep using these up. I won't fill any pens. I won't take ink out and put it back in its respective places. I will just work my way through. I've got a good range of colours, and that's what I will do. So that is that. Right, today. So the last ink swatch was 2 months ago. So it was time for a new one. So let's see, I have some recollection, because in order to be surprised, I don't go back and look. So we've got our ubiquitous Tim Tam, which I will look at. I'm hoping it's not as much as normal. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, we can do that. 14. That's getting better by my standards. So I have got my trusty Kakamori, which I love for samples like this. I just don't like for a full page of writing, I have decided. So we will just grab out, I will got somewhere to put them in afterwards. Water, cloth, I think that's it. It's 2 months since I've done a sample video. So this is Robert Oster Pink Squirrel. Look at that. Let's see how much mess we can make. Okay, we have already got some on the barrel. Right, so what did we do last time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we can afford to do 3 by 3. It's like a red wine, isn't it? Oh, that's quite interesting. A browny purple. Okay. SQUIRREL. That's intriguing. I can't remember what it looked like on the website. But yeah, that looks really interesting. Pen BBS mung bean cake. Okay, I don't think that's got any properties in it. These should all definitely be darker colours because I am realising that I prefer a darker colour to the light. It's taken me how many ink samples to realise that? Will it stop me buying some ink samples? Probably not. Okay. I just want to try to keep my hands somewhat clean. It's like sepia or something like that, isn't it? Look at that. It's feathering quite a lot on this paper though, the Robert Oster. So we've got pen BBS, and this is number 443 mung bean cake. Mung bean cake does not sound appetizing, but I quite like that there ink. Okay, we happen to put our hands on another pen BBS, Triangle Plum. Look at I think the colours are not going to, the lighting is not going to allow you to see. This is like another red wine colour. That's, maybe it's, I'm not a wine drinker. I'd say that's less red wine now, Pink Squirrel. This is trying to get in without getting any on the barrel. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice red too. Would you say that's a barn red, a Christmas red? BBS, this is number 432 Triangle Plum. That's very nice too. I need to put the lids on sooner. Oh well. What have we got? Wirringal. A Star Splattered Hill Shimmer. Okay. This is like a golden. Let's see what we can see with this. This is like a deep honey or something like that. Let's see. Ooh. Let's put the lid on. So we have got Wearingle. A star spattered. Who comes up with these names? A star spattered hill. It's certainly writing very pretty. I think that it's a nice, it's honey, isn't it? Okay, what have we got next? Wearingle, Stars in Autumn Shimmer. Look at that. Can you see that there? Stars in Autumn. I'm very impressed with my page so far. Okay, this is a blue, obviously. A bit on the barrel. It's like a denim, stone wash denim. Put the lid on. Put the lid on, Rachel. Not convinced that lid is on properly. Check that in a minute. Oh, it writes nicely. I hope we've got enough to see the shimmer on that. I feel like I can see it already. Is there anything left in here? I'm just going to fix that lid in case I was right. Yeah, I was. That's better. Okay. I can see both of those shimmers. What have we got? Ferris Wheel Press Cabernet on the Lake. Oh yes, I've been watching people on Instagram with this. This is also a shimmer. Oh, look at that deep colour. I had hopes for my birthday of buying some bottled Ferris Wheel Press, but I think that's going to have to wait till next year now, because my technology is failing me, and that's slightly more important. Oh, look at that colour. Wow, love it. Love it. I thought I would like this when I was watching people with it on Instagram. Ferris Wheel Press. Cabernet on the Lake. That's gorgeous. I'll see if I can touch the paper with the end of this. Just look at the blue. I don't know if you can see if there's enough movement there. Both of those actually, the two Wearingles, and I can actually see the shimmer in the wording of the yellow. I'll hold it up at the end anyway, but it's already noticeable to me. Okay, 3, 6, one more on this side, and then we'll go down the other side. Teranishi Inks Travelling Sepia. Okay, this is the first Teranishi I have tried. Oh, look, it's a rich brown. Oh, warm. Is it warm? I'd call it warm. That's nice too. I'm curious about doing a page in brown ink. Okay, where? Teranishi. Travelling Sepia. That's very nice too. I'm very happy with that page so far. Writing wise, the only one that has feathered is the Robert Oster, surprisingly. They're normally pretty good. Alright, let's start down the next side. What have we got? Robert Oster, NYC, USA. Yes. Video. It's alright. We'll just leave that in. Look at that colour too. That's so gorgeous. It's like a swimming pool. Right, are you going to feather as well? Oh, I suspect so, quite. Is that quite wet? Is that what? Y-N-Y-C-U-S-A. Okay, here we've got Sailor, Zaza. It's another blue. Wonder if it was new, which is why I got it. It's a darker blue, I think. Oh, look at that mess all over the thing. Actually, that's more of a denim colour, isn't it? Okay, we've got Sailor. Zaza. Yeah, both of those Robert Osters have feathered. I don't think anything else has. Okay, what have we got? Colourverse Project Ink number 21. Kyuyangak. Okay. This is a reddy brown or a red. I think it's a red. A darker red. We will find out. It's a okay. So it is a red. A browny red though, I would have thought. It's looks like blood. That's my first thought, actually. Okay, colour verse. Interesting. There's possibly even some orange in that. Alright, getting there. I can see some more shimmer coming. Oh, this is shimmer as well. Warringal, the great sage heaven's equal. Crikey. Wow. Okay. Oh yes, I can see. This Ferris wheel press, I can see the, and even in the writing too, it's like a rose gold shimmer in that. That's beautiful. Oh, maybe I will buy myself a bottle for my birthday. Okay, let's just carry on with the task at hand. Put the lid on. Okay. Right, crikey, this is probably the longest named ink. The great sage. Oops, excuse my father. Okay, 3 more to go. And the next one is shimmery too. Who is this? Another Warringal. Zemina. It's like a olivey greeny colour, I think. Quite light compared to all the others, actually. There should be some shimmer in that. What is this? Warringal. Zemyna. Oh. The one above has got a nice gold shimmer and I can see it in both the swatch and the words. I'll hold the book up at the end. Okay, that's why we put the lid on, Rachel. Robert Oster, Blood Moon. Picking too much up on the barrel. Well, this one, Feather. Do you know what? Once we've done the swatch, I might actually try and take a bit of ink off the nib. That's a really nice. Don't feel like anything's coming out. Alright, and we've got one more. Another wearingle. Only one Ferris wheel press this time. That's because there are a few more coming out in a few more days, I've seen. But we'll just wait. I have discovered that Ferris wheel press has a plant, so I guess therefore it's manufactured. They have a plant in Australia. Okay, this is a pink Daddy Long Legs and it's a shimmer. Okay. Very light. Right, wearingle. Where I come from, a Daddy Longlegs is a spider. Is that the same for you guys? Okay. Oh yes, I can see some colour coming on there. Alright, that is our lot. Pretty tame by my standards. Okay. I think all of them that oh wow, can you see that? Do you know what I'm looking at? Wowzers. Okay. Let's come up and let's see my eyesight in the camera. So we've got 2 Robert Osters at the top, Pen BBS and Sailor Ink, another Pen BBS and a Colourverse. And then we get into 2 wearingles now. Oh yes, you can see that one. Can we see the other one too? The yellow has also got shimmer. I think you can see it. Stunning. This I can see. When I do that, and I don't think you can see it on the camera, but I can, the words all change to gold. I think you can see it. I think you can see it. Anyway, then we've got another wearingle and you can see the sparkle in the blue. That wearingle doesn't, oh yes it does. It has a little bit of pale blue sparkle or shimmer. Ferris wheel press and Robert Oster have no properties. The Teranishi doesn't, but this one does, and it might be still a wee bit too wet to see it. It's gold. Gold on pink, and you can see it in the words as well. It's very pretty too. So there we go. That is my haul. Probably my last haul for the year, she says, hopefully. But who knows, we will see. Loving this. I feel like this needs to be a bottle. That wearingle, the Great Sage Heavens Equal, that's gorgeous. That's stunning. Anyway, I won't waste any more of your time. I will get this edited together and get this up. You may see, this may go up in a couple of weeks. I'm expecting a planner haul, and I might put that up between these 2 ink samples, just to, you know, balance out the planner part of Inky Planners. So anyway, there we go. That's our haul. I will catch you again in another video soon. Thanks everyone. Bye for now.